Hi, my name is Kate. I'm from Ukraine. Now I live in the UK in England. I teach English as a foreign language and I can speak English. As you can see, Ukrainian and Russian languages are my native languages. I'm holding master's degree in tourism recreation as well as TFL certificate teaching English as a foreign language. And I've been working as an English teacher for 3 years. In my classes, we talk a lot. Communication is the main point in my classes, as well as grammar and vocabulary. I mean, this is the base of language. I like to do everything after practice, or like first you see it and after you discover it. So like a discovering method, discovering approach. So you read the text, you listen to the audio podcast or something like that, or you talk to me and you discover new words and new grammar along the way, and I just explain it to you. That's it. And if you don't understand something, I can explain it in other words, and I like practice because only with repeating, with practice, you can remember something. In my experience, I've been working with beginner students, intermediate students, advanced students, so I think it doesn't matter what level you are and how many years you've started. I've worked in the travel industry and hospitality industry in English, so I know a lot about these spheres. But if you work in a different sphere and you need English for your work, it's fine. Yes, you can work on it. I worked with people from so many different backgrounds and professions, like business owners and in building sphere, or factory directors. For example, I had a student who is director and CEO of a toy factory in Ukraine, and choreographers, psychologists. I mean, language is for life, so we can talk about different spheres, and our classes will be concentrated on your interests. So I always tailor the program to the students' interests, because it's very important to be interested in what you are doing and what you are studying. Only that way your brain will remember something. I'm thankful that you've watched my video and hope to see you in my classes and work with you together. See you soon.